welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video and I am going to be doing a what I got my kids for Christmas video. I have everything sitting here behind me, so if you see all of the mess, that is why. I did ask a question on my Instagram page if anybody would be willing to see what I got my kids, Blake and Charlie, for Christmas, and you guys responded that you would want to see this video. So without further ado, I'm not going to start talking a bunch. If you guys are ready to see what I got my kids for Christmas, then just keep on watching this video. So we're actually going to just start. We're going to start with Blake because she didn't really get too much because she's only 2 months old. She'll be 3 months old 2 days before Christmas, and obviously she has no idea what Christmas is or what presents are or basically what anything else. So anyway, we didn't really get her anything because it was kind of pointless, and she has pretty much everything that she needs. So we did get her this, which I have been wanting for so long. It's the Bumbo seat, and I can't really give any reviews about it because obviously I haven't tried it out yet. I was debating between the seat, like the one that comes with like the tray and everything, but that one was actually 6 to 36 months. So I figured that I would get this because this one is 3 to 12 months, and it's something that she can use a lot sooner. Maybe later on down the line, if I like this one, then I will go ahead and get the one that is 6 to 36 months. But yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I got it in the cool gray color. I haven't decided yet. I think I'm gonna get her, I don't have it yet. There's a couple more days before Christmas, so I still have a little bit of time. But I was looking at the Blooming Baby bathtub because I put her in the sink a lot of times. So I was thinking that if I got the Blooming Baby bathtub flower thing, which I'll actually attach a picture to it for you, like right in this area somewhere, so that you guys can see what it is. I was looking at that, and I think we're gonna get that one in gray as well. And then the third thing that we got Blake, and this will actually be an introduction to what we bought Charlie as well, were these bracelets. So the backstory with this is that when I was growing up, my dad got me these bracelets, and I had one ever since I can remember, maybe since I was 5 years old. It was a gold little ID bracelet, and one side said Michaela, and then the flip side said Love Daddy. And that was something that a tradition that I always wanted to instill in my kids. And unfortunately, we couldn't find the ID bracelets from any of the stores that we were going to, which is crazy to me. So we ended up getting these little bangle bracelets, and they're super cute, and they actually just say like A, B, C, D, E, F, G around the outside, and we were going to take them and get them engraved on the inside with each of the girls' names and we love you or love mommy, daddy. And I was really unsure about it because unfortunately they cannot resize the bangle bracelets, so Blake would not be able to wear it until she's like 1 year old, and I kind of thought that kind of defeats the purpose of buying them. But I guess we were like, well, we'll just put it under the tree and like give it to her for Christmas and her birthday, because it's not like she'll remember anyway. But we also got, so we got 2 of them. So we got one for Blake and then one for Charlie, so that they can have matching bracelets. And this is probably my favorite present because it's like the most meaningful one, and Charlie will love it. She is obsessed with jewelry in general, so this is something that she is going to absolutely love. So basically that was the end of Blake's present. So we're just gonna jump right into what we got for Charlie. At the beginning of December, we gave Charlie a book from Target, one of the catalogs that they sent out of all the toys and everything before Christmas, and we had her go through and circle all the things that she wanted the most. Oh, I forgot about this. This is so cute. Actually, my husband had this coupon or whatever from Helzberg Diamonds for his birthday, because his birthday is in December, for a free necklace. And it has like a little pearl, and it's super cute. And like I said, Charlie loves jewelry, so we were like, what the heck, it's free, we can just get it and then give it to Charlie. So I want to say last year I bought Charlie some Hunter rain boots, and I don't think she even wore them once, and we can't figure out where they are. And Charlie loves rain boots, so I actually got these cute rain boots from Gymboree. And I literally, like, that place is so amazing. After all the coupons and the rewards points and the Gymboree cash and the sales that they always have in the store, these were originally like 40 bucks, and then I got a shirt and these boots for $11. How amazing is that? Like, you just cannot beat that deal. So we went to Target and we were trying on shoes, and she kept trying these shoes on over and over, and she was obsessed with them. So we got her these. We got them for her for Christmas. They're so cute. They're pink and they have like little sparkly pink stars on them, and they've got zippers on the inside. And the thing about these is that, so for school, they don't want them wearing their boots in the school, so they want them to put on like gym shoes. So we got these, and I think they're just super cute, and they'll be something that she can wear with a bunch of stuff, and she'll enjoy wearing them. So you guys are probably gonna think this next present is like so not a kid's thing, but at Target they have like these little shelves of stuff, and it's like bath bombs and makeup and palettes and all sorts of stuff. And I came across this, and it was originally $10, and then it was on sale for $8. But she gets 15 different colors of lip gloss, and if any of you guys personally know Charlie, you guys know that she is obsessed with makeup, obsessed with lipstick and lip gloss, anything you could think of. And honestly, like, I usually would go through all of my makeup and just give her the stuff. Instead of throwing my makeup away, I'll just give it to her, and she just plays with it and dresses her dolls up and things like that. So this was super cute, and it comes with all these colors, and she is going to be absolutely in love. And then she has been asking for these Orbeez things, stuff that she watches on YouTube. And so we just got her one big thing. I guess there's 400 Orbeez in here. So we got her the pink one. Like, any child nowadays would not be happy without one of these for Christmas. So funny thing is, I planned on getting her that big huge box and not knowing how much it cost, and we got to Target and it was like $79.99. I'm like, yeah, no. Like, Charlie goes through so many phases and of just like liking different stuff. Like, I swear last Christmas it was Shopkins. The Christmas before that was Frozen. So I'm not about to spend $80 on this LOL thing where there's little tiny pieces and she's gonna open it up and she's gonna lose everything. Like, no. So we went, and it was so crazy because we waited to Christmas shop so late that when we finally went to Target to get Christmas shop, there was no LOLs left. And I actually found this thing, this little thing right here, like just thrown up on the shelf somewhere. So this is actually going to be connected to another present that I'm going to show you after. We usually get Charlie like one big thing every single year, and then a bunch of small things. So this goes along with the big present that she got, and it's the Barbie Pink Passport collection. She's in that stage right now where she is absolutely obsessed with Barbies, and super cute. It's Ken and Barbie, and they are flight attendants, or maybe pilots. I don't know. Yeah, pilots. She's gonna be super duper duper excited about this. Then this next present, Hatchimals. So again, we went to Target super late and there was no Hatchimals left. And then I'm like, no, this can't be. So I literally like got down and I looked under the shelves, and like way in the back was this guy. So I'm super excited. I got like literally the very last Hatchimals on the freaking shelf. And I actually ended up getting this on sale. Target actually put these on sale for like 30 bucks or something. So it was super reasonable. Whereas before it was like 60 bucks. So it was almost half off. So we got her one of these this year. We also got her, so they're little comfy socks and an eye mask. We were at Target because clearly we live in Target, and she spotted one of these, and I tried not to buy her anything like when it's close to Christmas, like no toys. We don't really do that because I know that we're going to be spending a lot when it comes to Christmas. So she spotted this and she's like, oh my gosh, I want it so bad. So I went back and got it for her for Christmas. She was like, I can't sleep at night without an eye mask. I actually bought this next present a long time ago, but when I was in Marshall's one day I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, like Charlie would be so obsessed. So I literally had it like tied up in a bag at the top of my closet for a couple of months now. But it's this Deluxe Glam hair accessories, and it's got like hair chalk at the bottom and all these cool hair pieces. Charlie, if you guys know Charlie personally, you would know that she is obsessed with doing her hair and coloring her hair and things like that. So I thought this was super cute and she'll have a lot of fun with this. And by the way, like, I haven't been to Marshall's in a minute, but the last time I was there they had so many toys and a lot of things that you would see, and like, I know Toys R Us doesn't exist anymore, but a lot of things that you would find in a Toys R Us or Target or any of your other like larger stores, Marshalls and TJ Maxx sell a lot of those toys and they're a lot cheaper there. Like this was only $6.99, and I know they have Barbies, they have like the Our Generation sets. So this next present is probably, Charlie's gonna lose her mind over this and I'm gonna regret buying it, but there's this big humongous bucket of slime. It's neon pink pre-made slime and it's just this huge, like, it's huge. I mean, it's bigger than my hands. It's huge. So she's gonna love this. I know kids these days, they freaking love these Orbeez and the slime. So I'm excited for her. Next thing we got her. So Charlie never really had any Legos. Obviously as a baby she had like the jumbo Lego sets, but she has been watching lately some girl on YouTube who goes and builds all of these sets. So to test it out, we got her just a cute little set from Target. We got her this Lego Friends little set, and it's like the girl in her bedroom. And she's cute. She's got a little bow in her hair, but it's something that Charlie can just start doing because I think it's a little advanced for her, ages 6 to 12. It's something that she can learn how to do, and then as I see her start to like this a little bit more, then we can dive into like the Legos a little bit more. But I was so tempted to get her a huge set, and then I thought about it and I'm like, you know what, she's never really played with Legos before, so I want to make sure that she likes it and she knows how to do it before I dive into the huge like $60 sets. So now I'm going to take the camera and show you guys the big thing that we got her. Okay, so this is Charlie's big present. So last year we tried to get this for her and we literally searched everywhere, and this was, Toys R Us was still around last year. We searched Toys R Us, we searched Target, we searched Walmart, we searched literally everywhere, and this thing was sold out across every single store in every single state. And people, it was so bad to the point where people were selling these things on eBay for like double the price. So this year when we saw it in Target, we literally was like, okay, we cannot wait on this. So we bought this a long time ago, and actually surprisingly it was on sale for like $89.99. And it was so funny because my husband had it in his car for the longest. We forgot that it was in the car, in the trunk, and so Charlie got in the car one day after school and she looked in the back and she's like, oh my gosh, a Barbie jet. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I'm like, no, that's not a Barbie jet, like, it's just a box. Daddy couldn't find another box to put it in, so we just had to use that box, and he found it. So there's not actually a Barbie jet in there. I don't know, it worked, I think. But yeah, so that is the last present. She's gonna be super freaking excited, and that's why I said that Passport Pink Barbie and Ken pilot was perfect, because it goes along with this collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so happy to be sharing this with you. I hope that I gave you guys some tips and some ideas of what to get your children for Christmas. If you guys have any comments or any questions for me, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment box below. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy holidays. Bye!